Welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 18 video, we're going to go over converting improper fractions into mixed number fraction. I have a formula. I think it's going to make things easy. Let's just jump right on into it. Okay, this is something important you really need to know. Each and every single fraction is a division problem. Right? So that's your top number, the numerator, divided by symbol, the bottom number, which is the denominator. So whether it's a proper fraction or improper fraction, you take the top number, you can divide the bottom number into the top number. Every fraction is a division problem. Let's take a look. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our fraction of 16 fifths. 16 representing the top number, that's our numerator. 5 representing our bottom number, that's the denominator. You can write this fraction in a few different ways. 16 divided by 5, or 16 divided by 5, or 16 divisor bar 5, or 16 divided by 5. So all of these mean the exact same thing. It's just a different way to write it. So as a fraction, 16 divided by 5. Punching into your calculator, maybe 16 divided by 5 equals, right? Or if you're going to do long division, 16 divided by 5. Okay, so we have our mixed number fraction formula, right? So when converting an improper fraction into a mixed number fraction, this is kind of the formula. All right, and don't worry if this doesn't click. I have other ways I'm going to show you using symbols how this formula works out. But essentially, your whole number for your new mixed number will be the number above your divisor bar. Okay, that's going to be your whole number for your new mixed number. Now remember, we're converting improper fractions into mixed numbers, right? And every fraction is a division problem. So the number above the divisor bar will be your whole number. Your numerator, that's the top number, is going to be the remainder of your long division. And the denominator, the bottom number, is the original. It stays the same throughout this process. Okay, let's take a look at what this looks like with some numbers. Okay, so we're going to use the fraction 16 fifths that I showed you just a moment ago. 16 divided by 5. All right. 5 times what number gets me closest to 16 without going over? Well, 5 times 3 is 15. It's not larger than 16 and it's less than 16. So we're looking for a number so we can subtract from 16 that's product is equal, less than or equal to 16. So 15 fits that criteria. 5 times 3 is 15. So I subtract the product of 5 times 3, which is 15, from 16, our target, and that gives us our remainder of 1. So after doing this long division, the number above the divisor bar, if you remember in the formula I just showed you, is our whole number for our new mixed number. Okay, the remainder of 1, after doing that long division, is our new numerator, or the top part of our fraction. And of course, the denominator of 5 stays the denominator of 5. So we've converted 16 fifths into 3 and 1 fifth. All right, so I've set up a number of examples. And in this next example, number 1, I have 17 thirds. And another way to write that is 17 divided by 3, or 17 divided by 3. And 17 thirds is also 17 divided by 3. So stick around for part 19. I'm going to go over this example and show you using symbols how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Thank you for joining Math's Easy. Take it step by step. Remember, if I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Stick around for part 19 video. Thank you for joining me.